everyone. Some people say we should get rid of daylight saving time. I've talked about that in videos in the past. But some people say we should get rid of time zones. For most of history, time zones didn't exist. Time was based on what time was, and time was based on solar time, noon is the point where the sun is the highest in the sky. But as railroads were invented, this caused the need for a standard national time. In one day, we went from hundreds of time zones to just 24. So wouldn't the next natural step be to go from 24 to 1? This would make some aspects of a global life easier. So for example, when calling someone who lives in another country, I could say, the meeting will start at 10 o'clock, and there would be no confusion as to who's 10 o'clock. A 6-hour flight would leave 6 hours after you left, wherever was going east or west. We could use GMT as the universal time, and this wouldn't mean that you would have to wake up in the middle of the night or sleep during the day. You just had to adjust a normal time. Londoners would be most likely to wake up at 7 a.m., but New Yorkers at noon, and people in California at 3 p.m. But there's a problem. Under the current system, calling someone who lives in another country, I could say, oh, they're just so many hours ahead or behind me. But under this system, yes, they'd be at the same time, but you'd have to decide what would be a good time to be awake, and the overlaps between my time and theirs is just... It's one of those things that it might sound like a good idea in theory. It's not that practical. So time zones are here to stay. Bye!